Fellow Toastmasters and honored guests, I am here to give you an exciting news. I'm going to host a party. Yeah, a party. And it's going to be live. What? Yeah, it's going to be live. Fellow Toastmasters and honored guests, you know who I am. If you need a work, I know not all of you. Some of you are distinguished Toastmasters. Some of you are almost distinguished Toastmasters. Some of you are just really good at speaking and win a lot of trophies. Others of you are new. To those of you who haven't gotten to levels 4 or 5 yet, I have a stern warning. You will have to do more than 1 or 2 speeches to get past levels 4 and level 5. To do that, you'll need to do extra things like relabel speeches on YouTube, teach people in our community how to use computers, help Toastmasters leadership such as District 48 officers. For my level 5 project, I'm doing something slightly different. I will share with you some of my trade secrets. Yes, you heard me correctly. I'm going to share with you some valuable trade secrets. What? Yeah. Valuable trade secrets. I see some of you in the audience are jumping up and down and doing the happy dance. Yeah, that's right. You're going to get some valuable trade secrets for free, and it'll be yours if you do one thing. What is that thing? You must attend the March 26, 12:30 to 2 p.m. creative writing workshop. So what's the deal with this workshop? At this workshop, I will guide you in my creative writing process, which is a big part of what I do to write a new speech. And on top of that, if you go, we're going to go to Glory Days after it's all done. Even better. Now you can have beer, have some cheese, burgers, fries, meatloaf, Reuben, whatever. Have a feast. And hang out with your favorite Toastmasters after you learned about creative writing. First things first. As Brenda would say, who does that? So, what is creative writing? First step is to clear your mind, and I will help you with my method of clearing my mind. And the next step is to decide on the item that you want to express, that you want to speak about, and to share it with the community. For example, you might want to talk about something like the story of the weight gain clinic, which was featured by Fujimori, Freeman, Yamasaki, Kawasaki, Suzuki. Or you might come up with something like the story of a frustrated kid trying to get his fill of ice cream and willing to do whatever it takes to get the ice cream. Perhaps you'll get inspired by stories of friendship, compassion, remembering and celebrating the unsung heroes of your life and in your community, such as Mr. Nice Man. You might want to come up with a story of a competitive 40-year-old who fights his way to victory and consequently ends up in the ER only to be met by needles and paddles. Or you might just come up with a story of wanting to be heard and collaboratively supporting growth among your Toastmasters club through speechcraft and telling them we are better together, just like this shirt says. So that's all I got for you tonight. Remember, creative writing on March 26, 12:30 to 2 p.m. Be there.